so much to learn about. It'll make you want to shout, Blippi!
Hey, it's me, Blippi Bunny. Just kidding, it's me, Blippi, and I was just acting like a bunny. Hey, why don't we draw a bunny together today? Wow, I love bunnies. They are so cute and fluffy. All right, let's draw the head. There we go, nice circle. Ooh, and let's draw the ears. They have big, tall ears. Yeah, there we go. Whoa, and now let's draw the face. 2 circles for the eyes. Ooh, a circle for the nose. Oh, and then down here, yeah, let's draw the buck teeth. There we go. And speaking of buck, yeah, an adult male is called a buck. Yeah, an adult female bunny is called a doe, and a child is called a kit. Isn't that cute? Whoa. All right, let's draw on the eyes. There we go. Can't forget about the big whiskers. There we go. So cute. Well, if you want to keep drawing with me, all you have to do is search for my name. Will you spell my name with me? Ready? B-L-I-P-P-I. Blippi. See you again. Bye-bye.
Hey, look at where I'm at now. Right now, I'm at Cares in Burien, Washington. Yeah, C-A-R-E-S. Cares. Yeah. Cares is an animal shelter. Yeah, this is where the animals live until maybe someone like you comes down to then adopt the pet. These pets need a new home. Let's see what pets are inside. Do you see this dog? Yeah, this is a really small dog. It's kind of like a baby dog. Yeah, really small dogs like this, these are called puppies. Here you go. Ooh, this is Sapphire. Oh, she's such a cute kitty. Hey, Sapphire. How are you? Oh, she's so soft. This is Cuddles. She loves to cuddle. Oh, she's so soft. And she loves to play. Wow, that was so much fun spending some time at my local animal shelter. Well, hey, even if you can't adopt a pet, you can still come down and volunteer your time. Yeah, you can come on down and pet the pets. Maybe they'll even let you walk a pooch or play with a cat in the little cat room. Well, that was so much fun. Whoa! Check it out! Right now, I'm at Pause and Relax in Burien, Washington. Yeah, it's a daycare. Ooh, Lino, does that feel good? Yeah, a daycare that has a playground. You know, a playground that you get to play at? Yeah, this is a doggy playground, and Lino and I are playing here. Hey, I have an idea. Why don't we let Lino run around? Whoa! And playgrounds are a lot more fun when there's a lot of friends. Let's bring on some doggy friends. Whoa, look at how many friends Lino has. Lino? Okay, now it's time for Lino's bath and haircut. Oh, I bet he's gonna feel so clean and so fresh after this. All right, let's take him inside. Here we go, Lino. Hey! Whoa, check it out! Look at this pink platform. Yeah, this is what all the pooches stand on. And this is a nice purple belly strap right here. And then a neck strap. Yeah, this is called a groomer's helper. So then it makes sure that the pooch doesn't fall off the table while it's getting groomed. Hey, come check this out. Whoa, see this toolbox? There's a lot of things that the groomers use inside this toolbox. Wow, that is so cool. All right, first we have some shampoo. This is plum flavored shampoo. Ooh, and it looks like we have some clippers up here. Wow. That's what you put on the dog's hair, and then it trims it. Ooh, this files down the nails of the dog. Let's turn it on. Whoa, that's silly. Okay, wow. Yeah, these are like scissors. Yeah, but they're actually called shears. Wow, a dog's hair is a lot more fine than a human's hair, and these scissors can really cut a dog's hair really good. So let's put these on the platform. Let's put the red colored ones. Okay, gotta be really careful if you use these shears. Perfect. Okay, what else do we need to cut Lino's hair? Let's see. Oh, hey, do you want a haircut? Hey, do you want a haircut? Looks like their hair's already cut. Oh, look at this. Wow, a comb. Yeah, just like how you and I comb our hair and brush our hair, dogs need that too. Wow. Oh, hello. Okay, let's put this on the platform. Okay, next to the pair of shears. All right, what else is over here? Wow, looks like we have some sanitation spray. So then when Lino's done, you sanitize everything, so then the next dog can get its hair cut. Whoa, sugar cookies? I love sugar cookies. This is sugar cookie dog perfume. This definitely should go over there. Check this out, another drawer. Wow, there is a lot of cool things in this. Look at that. That kind of looks like a brush, but it doesn't look like a normal brush or a comb. This is called a slicker brush. All right, we'll put that over there as well. Whoa, this is gonna be so much fun. Let's see. Remember from earlier, these clippers up here? Yeah, see this? These are clipper attachments. You put them on the top, and then that is what determines the length of hair. See that? Compared to that. That one's way shorter. Whoa. Okay, let's bring this and a green attachment. Whoa. All right. I think we have everything we need to cut Lino's hair. All right, so we have clippers, shears, scissors, a comb, some dog perfume, and a slicker brush. There's a lot more things in there that we'll probably use, but for now, this is good. Yeah! Whoa, look at Lino! They took off so much hair. Look! Whoa! This is a bunch of Lino's hair. Wow, it's so soft. Ah, yeah, I could make a pillow out of this. Woo! Wow! Hey! You like Lino's hair? Does it smell good? Oh, it's so silly. Whoa, look! Lino's all done! How does he look? Look at his big fluffy ears. Whoa! Wow! Ooh! And look at his spooky bandana! Oh, there's some pumpkins on it. Ooh, and it looks like a llama with a cape. Wow. All right, Lino, we can go home now. All right. Bye-bye. Well, this is the end of this video, but if you want to watch more of my videos, all you have to do is search for my name. Will you spell my name with me? Ready? Blippi. Blippi. Good job. All right. Bye-bye.
Come on everyone, let's make learning fun. So much to learn about, it'll make you wanna shout, Blippi!